Hello guys, I'm here again. I'm about to sleep, but first I will show you my new toys. Kleeable! This is a sleeping cat simulation toy. Wow! Look at them, they are very cute. This one is mine, and this one I gave it to mommy. What's more, they make a very cute sound. Let's hear it. What is the meow meow? Very nice. When I sleep, I will put them beside me. I thought a pussycat. Here's a bonus. There's a very small squishy putty tat. Wow! Great! And now I have 1 little, 2 little, 3 putty tat! Once again, thank you Shopee for these 3 little putty tats! Good night everyone! And good night little putty tats! And don't forget to like and subscribe! Bye-bye!